Hey there, YouTube viewers! Are you ready for a mind-blowing fact about the United States that will leave you amazed? Well, get ready to dive into the incredible world of the Grand Canyon, one of America's most iconic natural wonders. The Grand Canyon's geological tale. The Grand Canyon in Arizona spans over 277 miles. Carved by the Colorado River, it reaches depths of up to 6,093 feet. The exposed rock layers reveal Earth's geological history. Geologists have studied these layers to uncover a timeline of ancient oceans, shifting landscapes, and extinct species. Yellowstone, the world's first national park. Established in 1872, Yellowstone is the first national park globally. Encompassing parts of Wyoming, Montana, and Idaho, it covers 2.2 million acres. Home to iconic geothermal features like Old Faithful, geyser, and colorful hot springs. Designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site for its geological and ecological significance. Mount Rushmore's monumental sculpture. The Mount Rushmore National Memorial in South Dakota features the faces of 4 U.S. presidents: George Washington, Thomas Jefferson, Theodore Roosevelt, and Abraham Lincoln. Carved into the granite face of the mountain, the sculpture is a symbol of American democracy and history, innovations, and technological advancements. America is the birthplace of numerous technological advancements, including the telephone, airplane, and internet. Silicon Valley, located in California, is a global hub for technology and innovation, housing some of the world's biggest tech companies. Cultural melting pot. America is renowned for its cultural diversity, with people from all corners of the world calling it home. This diversity is reflected in its cuisine, traditions, and festivals, making it a vibrant and multicultural society. NASA and space exploration. The United States is a pioneer in space exploration, with NASA leading the way. Historic achievements include landing humans on the moon during the Apollo missions. The Statue of Liberty. A symbol of freedom and democracy, the Statue of Liberty was gifted by France to the United States in 1886. Located in New York Harbor, it welcomes immigrants and visitors arriving by sea. Breathtaking national parks. America boasts a stunning array of national parks, from the rugged landscapes of Yosemite to the Everglades' unique wetlands. Each park offers a distinct natural experience, showcasing the country's diverse beauty, musical legacy, and influence. America has significantly shaped the global music landscape, giving rise to genres like jazz, blues, rock and roll, hip-hop, and country. Land of innovators and entrepreneurs. Many influential companies like Apple, Microsoft, and Amazon were founded in the United States, contributing to technological and economic advancements. Historic landmarks. The historic landmarks like the Independence Hall in Philadelphia and the Freedom Trail in Boston offer a glimpse into the nation's history and struggle for independence. Wildlife diversity. America is home to a wide range of wildlife, from grizzly bears in Alaska to alligators in the swamps of Florida, showcasing the country's ecological richness. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.